Hello kids, let's learn some colors. This is yellow color. This is red color. This is black color. This is dark blue color. White color. Let's learn some more colors. This is black color, pink color, purple color, violet color, orange color, dark brown color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color. Dear kids, in this video we are tracing letter A to Z. We will draw these letters. Watch complete video. Let's start. This is letter A. Black color. Letter A. A is for apple. Blue color. Letter B. B is for ball. A is for apple. Orange color. Letter C. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. D. D is for duck. D is for duck. Violet color. Letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Brown color. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Dark green color. Letter G. G is for goat. G is for goat. Red color. H. H is for horse. H is for horse. Next to letter H is I. Light green color. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Purple color. J. J is for juice. J is for juice. Next to letter J is letter K. Yellow color. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Black color. L. L is for line. L is for line. Next to letter L is M. Dark blue color. Letter M. M is for mango. M is for mango. This is light green color. N. N is for notebook. N is for notebook. Next to letter N is O. Black color. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. Dark blue color. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Light green color. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. And next to letter Q is R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is letter R. R is for rabbit. Next to letter R is S. Violet color. Letter S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. Red color. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Next to letter T is U. Dark blue color. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Sky blue color. V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. This is also sky blue color. W. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. Next to letter W is X. Purple color. X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Black color. This is pink color. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Wow, we have just done. Let's revise them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have done. So dear kids, do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.